Welcome! In front of me I have KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. So the power saving mode is useful if, for example, you want to preserve the battery life on your watch as long as possible. And then I basically disables some of the features of the watch to save the battery life. And to enable it, you can press the select button to wake up the screen. And once you see the home screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you will see a bunch of icons. And this one with the percentage on it, this is the battery icon, and you can tap on it. Here you will see the battery menu, and on it you will see, or in it rather, you will see a power saving mode option, and you can basically tap on the switch to enable it, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the power saving mode will be enabled. And you will have access only to time, steps, and the battery life. Other features will be locked to save the power. And if you want to turn off the mode, let's say you decided to turn it off, press and hold the select button. Or if nothing happens, wake up the screen first. So press the select button to wake up the screen, then press and hold the select button. You will see the countdown on the screen, and then once it's complete, it will bring you back to the normal mode. You will see the normal watch face, and basically that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.